This happened about 2 years ago. I was with a friend on a two-wheeler coming back home from coaching, and there was this guy on a bike with his face covered, and he just came suddenly and grabbed my breast. I screamed and tried to kick his bike, but he was so quick. We tried to catch him but could not do anything. And I was not in any kind of fancy clothing or anything, I was just simple.
was 10 years old. मेरे घर के पास एक मैन रहते थे जिनको मैं बाबा बोलती थी, and he used to sexually assault me. At the time I don't know, but when I grew up I discussed it with my mom, and she told me that unwanted touch is sexual harassment, and that incidents का मेरी लाइफ में आज तक ये है कि I don't trust her anymore.
So I was around 11 or 12 years old. I was with my family at this very crowded temple, and this man behind me, he kept on leaning at my back, and it made me feel very uncomfortable, but it kept on happening multiple times regardless of me moving away. It was days until I finally acknowledged that I was sexually assaulted and told my parents about it. And to this date, I still am scared of going to a temple or a crowded place. I still hate going there because if a person can do something like this at a temple, I wonder what he might do outside.
क्यों खामोश है तू? बोल दे। दिल में दबा के रखा है जिसे तूने, खोल दे। वह जाने दे उन आंसुओं को जिन्हें बांध के है रखा। तूने सहा है वो दर्द जो किसी और ने न सहा। तू खुद को अकेला मत समझ, तेरे जैसी है बहुत जिनकी जिंदगी से सुकून भरी लगती है मौत। उन्होंने भी तेरी तरह सब चुपचाप है सहा, तभी तो वो दरिंदा आज भी वही कर रहा। क्यों खामोश है तू? बोल दे। दिल में दबा के रखा है जो तू, खोल दे। तू उठ, खड़ी हो, इंसाफ के लिए आवाज उठा। हुआ है जो तेरे संग वो पूरी दुनिया को बता। इसमें तेरी बदनामी नहीं, तेरी जीत है। लोग कहें उन्हें कहने दे, दुनिया की यही रीत है। क्यों खामोश है तू? बोल दे। दिल में दबा के रखा है जिसे तूने, खोल दे। तू चुप रही तो ये होता रहेगा, वो दरिंदा चैन की नींद सोता रहेगा। तू नहीं तो कोई और होगा उसका अगला निशाना। जरूरी है तेरी कहानी को पूरी दुनिया तक पहुंचाना, जिससे कभी कोई और निर्भया या कोई और मनीषा निर्मित ना हो, जिससे कभी कोई और नारी कभी पीड़ित ना हो। इसलिए खामोशी को अब तू तोड़ दे। दबा के रखा था जिसे तूने, अब बोल दे।
I believe as women we all have been subjected to a lot of criticism and calling out throughout our lives for being, so to say, a little ambitious or independent, strong-headed, or maybe untamed as they call it, just because we don't fit into the societal standards of being a woman. And it's high time we actually let them know that just because we've been born with a kind of specific kind of body, and just because we've been born in a specific gender, that doesn't give you the right to treat us as objects of gaze for another gender. And I think it's high time that as a society we voice our opinions and let people know that this is not acceptable. And now that we are actually addressing the matter, we should actually normalize speaking against it too.
So my idea or my experience about this particular topic has not been much different to what many girls or women face in their daily lives, day-to-day life. And it has not happened with me once or twice or thrice. It has happened multiple times. Like when you wear something which is considered to be socially unfit or abhadra according to the Indian society, society hashtag छोटे कपड़े, when you have to face those staring eyes, those looks, they'll keep staring at you to the point that you start feeling uncomfortable and you start finding mistakes कि शायद यार हम में कोई गलती होगी. So yeah, it's really uncomfortable, it's very unpleasant, it's very painful to मतलब face all this in today's world. मतलब अब जब लड़कियाँ इतनी स्ट्रॉन्ग हैं, लड़कियों के बारे में इतनी बात होती है, इतनी मूवमेंट्स होती हैं, उसके बाद भी facing all such stuffs and people having such mentality is really pathetic. So yeah, it has to be.